On a quiet street, a poor little cat walked alone. Suddenly, two of his friends burst into laughter. He checked his money bag, empty. He began picking old bottles off the street, selling them, one by one, for just a few coins. Then he got a job in a warehouse, worked day and night. Later, he joined a construction team. His paws bruised, but his spirit strong. Finally, he held a brand new iPhone in his paw. He danced on the same street he once cried on his friends watched in awe. How did he do it? Simple. He never stopped believing.